Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. In this video, we are going to solve problem number 61 to 80. This is a part 4 in determinants and matrices. If you haven't seen those videos up to part 3 still, kindly check with the playlist. And before going into the video, please subscribe our channel Off Campus. Then only you will receive notifications whenever we upload videos. Okay, we'll start. Question number 61. What is that? If the sum of two eigenvalues and trace of 3 cross 3 matrix A are equal, find the value of determinant of A. What is given? If the sum of two eigenvalues. So, sum of two eigenvalues and trace of 3 cross 3 matrix. What is given? Given is, let's see how to solve this. Given problem is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay. So, it will have given us 3 cross 3. So, it will have 3 eigenvalues. I am just writing eigenvalues as EV in short, okay, as say lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. Since it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, it will have 3 eigenvalues, okay, as lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. So, what is given? Sum of 2 eigenvalues, okay. Sum of 2 eigenvalues, which means lambda 1 plus lambda 2. Say lambda 1 plus lambda 2, which is equal to trace of 3 cross 3 matrix. Trace of matrix A, that is given in the problem. Sum of two eigenvalues is equal to trace of 3 cross 3 matrix. Sum of two eigenvalues. Since it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, it has 3 eigenvalues. What is given in the formula? For problem, sum of two lambda 1 plus lambda 2 is equal to trace of A. So, trace of A. What is actually a trace of A? Trace of A is nothing but sum of the diagonal elements in the matrix. So, sum of diagonal elements by the properties of eigenvalues, that sum of diagonal elements which is equal to sum of eigenvalues of the given matrix, okay. So, trace of A is nothing but sum of eigenvalues. So, what is the eigenvalue? It has 3 eigenvalues now. So, lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3. So, trace of A is nothing but lambda 1 plus sum of eigenvalues, lambda 3. Is it clear? Are you clear, guys? What is given? Sum of two eigenvalues is equal to trace of A. Sum of two eigenvalues is lambda 1 plus lambda 2 equal to trace of A. Actually, what is trace of A? Trace of A is nothing but sum of the all eigenvalues. Let's say like sum of all eigenvalues of matrix A. So, it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. It has 3 eigenvalues. So, as lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3, which is equal to lambda 1 plus lambda 2. That is given in the problem, okay. Now, what we need to find out? We need to find out the value of determinant of A, modulus of A or determinant of matrix A. Let's see. So, this and this get cancelled now. So, what is lambda 3? Lambda 3 value is 0, okay. We need to find out the determinant of A. So, from this we need to find out. We know the property, one of the property of eigenvalues which is related to determinant of that matrix is nothing but product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of given matrix. So, it has 3 eigenvalues. No? So, product of eigenvalues means that the multiplication of these 3 is equal to modulus of A, determinant of A. So, we know the one of the eigenvalue is equal to 0. So, lambda 3 equal to 0. So, obviously, lambda 1 plus lambda 2 into 0 equal to determinant of A. So, obviously, we are getting determinant of A as 0. So, this is the procedure to solve this problem. What is the matrix value? Determinant value is nothing but 0. Okay. We will move on to solve next problem 62. So, this is the problem number 62. We will see, find the eigenvalues of adjoint of A if A is given. So, A matrix is given, we need to find out the adjoint of A, eigenvalues of adjoint of A. Okay. First, we will find out the eigenvalues of the given matrix. So see, the matrix is nothing but it is a triangular matrix and also upper triangular matrix. See, it has only the above value, the below the triangle all the value is 0. Oh, so it is a upper triangular matrix. See, we have one property of eigenvalues is nothing but that is related to triangular matrix is nothing but for any triangular matrix. See, for any triangular matrix, that may be upper triangular or lower triangular, for any triangular matrix, what is the eigenvalues is nothing but diagonal elements, diagonal values or diagonal leading diagonal elements. Okay, leading diagonal elements for any triangular matrix, eigenvalues is nothing but leading diagonal elements. What is the diagonal element here? 3 4 1. So eigenvalues of A matrix A is nothing but 3 comma 4 comma 1. So this is given the in given problem, this is a upper triangular matrix. For any triangular matrix, it may be upper or lower triangular matrix, what is the eigenvalue? It is which is equal to the leading diagonal elements. Leading diagonal elements is nothing but 3 4 1. So it is the eigenvalue of A matrix A. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the eigenvalues of adjoint of A. So what is the relation between adjoint of A? So we know that inverse, A inverse is nothing but adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. We know that formula, right? So from that we can find out. See, A mod A cross multiply A inverse equal to adjoint A. So it will go to that side. Inverse matrix will go to that side as A, right? A. This will come here, mod A by adjoint of A. Or otherwise we can, so sorry, here itself we can find out na. We need to know, we need to find out adjoint of A. So adjoint of A actually determinant of A divided by A. Okay, A inverse can be written as 1 by A. So adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A divided by A. So this is the value. So we know that eigenvalues of A, we need to find out the determinant value, then divide by this value, we can find out the eigenvalues of adjoint of A. So first we need to find out the determinant of this matrix. So determinant of this matrix, see, I am writing here. See, we can expand this alone, the remaining terms are 0, so we can expand this alone. So this one into 4, 3 into 4 is 0 equal to 12. So mod A determinant value equal to 12. Okay. So what is the eigenvalue of adjoint of A? Is nothing but mod A divided by A. So A value is 3 4 1. Eigenvalues of A, I am writing here 3 4 1. Okay, eigenvalue of A 3 4 A. So we need to find out the eigenvalues of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant A. What is the determinant value we found? Yes, 12, right? So just substitute 12 by determinant A divided by A value. So 12 divided by 3 comma 12 divided by 4, 12 divided by 1. So what is the eigenvalue? 4 3 1. So this is the eigenvalues of adjoint of A. 4 comma 3 comma 1. Sorry, 1 not 1, it is 12. 12 divided by 1, 12 only. So 4 comma 3 comma 12, which one? Option 2 is the right option. We'll move on to the question number 63. What is given? If lambda 1, lambda 2 up to lambda n are eigenvalues of A, then 1 by lambda 1 and 1 by lambda 2 or 1 by lambda n are eigenvalues of A inverse. So this is also one of the property of eigenvalues. Lambda 1, lambda 2 are eigenvalues of A means what is the eigenvalue of A inverse is nothing but 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2 up to 1 by lambda n. So we should be very thorough about eigenvalues properties. Okay. Then question number 64. So what is that? If lambda is an eigenvalues of non-singular matrix A, then the eigenvalue of adjoint of A. So what is given? We need to find out the eigenvalue of adjoint of A. And what is also given? Lambda is an eigenvalue of non-singular matrix. Actually, what is singular matrix? Singular matrix means determinant of A equal to 0. For non-singular matrix, determinant of A should not be equal to 0. As I told earlier, what is the relation between adjoint of A, inverse A inverse divided by adjoint of A divided by modulus of A. So, for given as non-singular matrix, which means that it is not equal to 0. Whenever it is equal to 0, what happens? It will go to infinity. So, for a singular matrix, if it is 0, the value is infinity. For a non-singular matrix, this value should not be infinity. This should not be equal to 0. Okay. So, then only for A inverse exists. Okay. For modulus determinant of A is not equal to 0, then only A inverse exists. Okay. Otherwise, it will go to infinity now. So, now we need to find out the same thing. Adjoint of A is nothing but A inverse into A. Just cross multiply. A inverse can be written as mod A divided by simply A. So, it is the eigenvalues of adjoint of A is nothing but, previously we have seen this problem only na, this method. So, adjoint of A is nothing but mod A divided by A. So, what is given? A is lambda is a eigenvalue, means mod A divided by lambda here. Okay. Mod A divided by lambda, determinant of A divided by lambda. Then question number 65. The eigenvalue of the given matrix. So, see, it is a matrix, it is a triangular matrix and also upper triangular matrix. The remaining part below the upper triangular matrix, remaining are 0, elements are 0. So, the given matrix is a upper triangular matrix. As I said earlier, it is also one of the property of eigenvalues. For any triangular matrix, what is the eigenvalue? Is nothing but leading diagonal elements. So, for any triangular matrix, it may be upper or lower. This is triangular, right? For any triangular matrix, it may be upper triangle or lower triangle. What is the eigenvalues? It is nothing but the leading diagonal elements. What is that? 1, 4, 8. So, this is the answer, option 1. Okay. Then 2 of the eigenvalue of a 3 cross 3 matrix A are 2, 5 and determinant of A equal to 30. Find the third eigenvalue. So, we will see what is given. Let us see how to solve this problem. The given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So, as I said earlier, it has 3 eigenvalues, right? In that, what is given in the problem? 2 of the eigenvalues of a 3 cross 3 matrix is 2 and 5. So, lambda 1 say, lambda 1 equal to 2 and lambda 2 equal to 5. We need to find out the third eigenvalue. Lambda 3 is equal to what? And also what is given? Determinant of A equal to 30. So, we know one of the property of eigenvalue which is related to the determinant of A, right? What is that? Product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. So, product of eigenvalues is nothing but lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 equal to determinant of A. Just substitute value for lambda 1, lambda 2, 2 into 5. We need to find out the lambda 3 value and determinant value is 30. So, 10, 3, right? 30 by 10, it is 3. Lambda 3 is equal to 3. This is the third eigenvalue. Option 1, 3 is the right option. Then problem number 67. If A equal to given matrix, then the eigenvalues of A inverse. We need to find out the eigenvalues of A inverse. Let us see how to solve this problem. So, see, the given matrix is nothing but a upper triangular matrix. for any triangular matrix, it may be upper or lower triangular matrix, what is the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues is nothing but, so eigenvalues of A for this upper triangular matrix is nothing but the leading diagonal elements, which is nothing but 3, 4, 1. This is the eigenvalues of A. So what we need to find out? We need to find out the eigenvalues of A inverse. Eigenvalues of A inverse is nothing but 1 by eigenvalues of A, right? So 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 1. So what is that? 1 by 3, comma 1 by 4, comma 1. This is the eigenvalues of A inverse. Option 1 is the right option. Then question number 68. If the eigenvalues of A are 3, 5, 7, then the eigenvalues of adjoint of A. We know already now what is given. Let's see how to solve this problem. Eigenvalues of A is nothing but 3, 5, 7. Then eigenvalues of adjoint A. So what is the relation? A inverse equal to adjoint A divided by mod A. From that, what is adjoint A? Mod A into A inverse. Adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A divided by A. So this is the step. So eigenvalues of adjoint of A we need to find out. So from that what we know, we need to find out the adjoint of A. We have eigenvalues of A as 3, 5, 7. What we need to find out? Determinant of A. So determinant of A, how can we find? We have one property that is related to the determinant of A. So product of eigenvalues, product of given eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. Okay. So what is that? 15, 105, right? Determinant of A. So determinant of A value is 105. Then now we are going to find out the eigenvalues of adjoint of A, which is equal to determinant of A by mod A. So 105 divided by 3, comma 105 by 5, comma 105 by 7. What we will get? 335, 21. When we dividing, then this is 15. So 35, 21, 15. So option 1 is the right option. Okay. Then question number 65. Two eigenvalues of the matrix A is given as this matrix A are 1 and 2. The third eigenvalue. We need to find out the third eigenvalue. So let's see how to solve this problem. The given matrix is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So it will have 3 eigenvalues, say lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. Whereas what is given? Lambda 1 and lambda 2 is 1 and 2. Okay. We need to find out the third eigenvalue. And also what is given? The matrix is given. So which is related to the one of the property is nothing but product of the given product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. So first we'll find out the determinant value, then we'll substitute that value into here. So just expand this 4, then plus 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, okay, 8. I will check again 4, right? Then it will 0, so I will omit this. Then 1 into 0 into 0, 0 into 0, sorry, again I am confusing. 1 into 2, okay, 8 plus 2, 10. So determinant value is nothing but 10. Now we will substitute this value. Product of eigenvalues. Product of eigenvalues is nothing but lambda 1 into lambda, just a multiplication of these 3, which is equal to determinant A. So 1 and 2 already we have no, into lambda 3 we need to find out. Then determinant of A equal to 10. Then lambda 3 equal to 10 by 2, 5. Okay. So am I correct? 2, 4 plus 0, 2. Okay, 1 into 0 minus 2 here. Made a mistake, right? This is 4, 8. Then 1, 0 minus 2. So here minus 2. So minus 2, which is here also plus. Here 1 into minus 2. So 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is nothing but 6. Okay, 6. So here 6 will come. Okay. So 2 here 3 times. So lambda 3 equal to 3. Okay. Option 2, 3 is the right option. In option, why I am getting confused, right? In option per se, 5 is also in that option. So we should be very careful when we doing numerical. Okay. Then question number 70. For a given matrix of order 3, determinant of A equal to 32 and 2 of its eigenvalues are 8 and 2. Find the sum of the eigenvalues. So let's see how to solve this problem. Just read the problem carefully and do step by step procedure. So what is given order 3? Order 3 means what? It will have 3 eigenvalues. Say it is lambda 1 and lambda 2 and lambda 3. And also what is given? Determinant A is equal to 32. And 2 of its eigenvalues are 8 and 2. 2 of its eigenvalues, lambda 1 equal to 8, lambda 2 equal to 2. 8 and 2, right? We need to find out the sum of the eigenvalues. So should be very careful. What is asking? Sum of the eigenvalues. Okay. So how can we find? We can find, first we need to find out the third eigenvalue, then we will find the sum of the eigenvalues. Okay. So which is related to, we have one property of eigenvalues which is related to determinant. What is that? Product of eigenvalues of matrix A is nothing but determinant of that given matrix, which is 2 lambda 3 is equal to determinant A, that is 32. Lambda 1 lambda 2, 8 into 2 into lambda 3 equal to 32. 16 2 times. So lambda 3 is equal to 2. So we found the lambda 3 value as 2. But what we need to find out. Find the sum of the eigenvalue. So lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 value 2. So 8 plus 2 plus 2, 10, 12. So 12 is the right option. Option 4, 12 is the right answer. Then question number 71. Find the eigenvalues of A inverse. This is A inverse. If A is given, okay, A is given, we need to find out the eigenvalues of A. See, the given matrix is a triangular matrix, right? This is a upper triangular matrix. What we know, the properties of eigenvalues related to triangular matrix, what is that? For any triangular matrix, it may be upper or lower. For any triangular matrix, what is the eigenvalues? It's just the leading diagonal elements. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So eigenvalues of A, it will have 2 eigenvalues as 1, 4. Okay. What we need to find out? Eigenvalues of A inverse. So this is also one of the property. If lambda 1, lambda 2, etc. lambda n is eigenvalue of A, then 1 by lambda 1, 1 by lambda 2, 1 by lambda n is the eigenvalues of A inverse. Just we need to take the reciprocal. 1 by 1, 1 by 4 is equal to 1, 1 by 4. So this is the eigenvalues of A inverse. Option 3. Then question number 72. Question number 72, what is that? 2 eigenvalues of matrix given are equal and they are double the third. Then the eigenvalues are, okay. Here we need to find out the eigenvalues of the given matrix. What is given? So it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. It will have 3 eigenvalues as lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. So what is given here? 2 eigenvalues of A are equal. So true eigenvalues are equal means lambda 1, say lambda 1 and lambda 2 is equal to lambda, it is equal and they are double the third. Lambda 1 lambda 2 equal to lambda, and which is double the third means the third is half of the this one, right? So here see 2 lambda 3, the same thing only. So double the third, these two will be double the third and equal and double the third means lambda 3 is lambda by 2. So this is the logic given in the question. Now we need to find out the eigenvalues. So eigenvalues, what is given? Matrix A is given. We need to find out the determinant of A. So just find out the determinant value. 4 into minus 6 minus 10 plus 10 plus 6 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 6 into minus 5 minus 3 plus 3. Then this is 0, minus 2 plus 2, 0, this term will go vanishes. 10 minus 6, 4, 4 into 4, 16. Then 5 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2, here minus 2 into 6 minus 12. So what is the determinant value? Is equal to 4. So determinant value is given as 4. We need to find out the 3, then the eigenvalues. Okay, what is given? So the what is given? 2 eigenvalues are, so we know the property of eigenvalue is nothing but product of eigenvalues is equal to determinant of A. So what is lambda 1 lambda 2? Lambda 1 lambda 2 are equal. Okay, and it is double the third. Lambda 1 and lambda 2 are equal and it is double the third means lambda 3 value equal to lambda by 2. Lambda 1 and lambda 2 is lambda means lambda 3 is half of those. Then only it will come double the third eigenvalue. Okay, then it is half is equal to 4. So what is that? Lambda cube equal to 4 into 2, 8, cross multiplies, which is what is lambda? 2. Lambda value equal to 2. So we need to find out the, we need to find out the lambda is 2. So lambda 1 and lambda 2 is same only, 2 comma 2. What is lambda 3? Lambda by 2. So 2 by 2, 1. So 2 comma 2 comma 1 or 1 2 2. This one 1 2 2. Okay. This is 72. This is 73. Problem number 73. We'll see. So what is given? Problem number 73. If the eigenvalue of matrix A are minus 2, 3, 6, find the eigenvalues of A squared. So eigenvalues of A is minus 2, 3, 6. Then we need to find out the eigenvalues of A squared. So if lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda n, for example, is eigenvalue of A means, then what is the eigenvalue of A squared is nothing but lambda 1 squared, lambda 2 squared up to lambda n squared. So similarly, just a square, minus 2 the whole squared, 3 squared, 6 squared. What we will get? 4, 9, 36. Option 2 is the right option. Okay. Then 74. For an orthogonal matrix A, what is A inverse? So actually what is an orthogonal matrix A? A transpose equal to I, which means that A transpose equal to, it will go to that side as A inverse. This is the condition for the orthogonal matrix. For orthogonal matrix, A transpose is equal to A inverse. So, for what is A inverse? A inverse is equal to A transpose. Okay. Then question number 75. If lambda is an eigenvalue of an orthogonal matrix, then we need to find out 1 by lambda squared is an eigenvalue or 1 by lambda is an eigenvalue, lambda plus 1 is an eigenvalue. As I told earlier, previously we have seen A transpose equal to I, which means that A transpose equal to A inverse for an orthogonal matrix. So, if lambda is an eigenvalue of an orthogonal matrix means obviously 1 by lambda is also an eigenvalue. Okay. 76. The determinant of orthogonal matrix. It is a, what is the determinant of orthogonal matrix is nothing but plus or minus 1. Then question number 77. For a diagonal matrix, eigenvalues are, so we'll see what is actually a diagonal matrix. For example, what is a diagonal matrix? Equal to, for example, it will have only the values in the leading diagonals. The remaining part is 0. 4, 0, 0, 0, 5. So, this is the diagonal values. Okay, diagonal matrix. This is the example of diagonal matrix. It has only the values in the diagonal elements only. Okay, the rest of the value is 0. So, for a diagonal matrix, eigenvalues are nothing but the leading diagonal elements, the main diagonal elements. Option 1, the main diagonal elements is the right option. Then question number 78. The eigenvalues of an orthogonal matrix A are positive. What is the value of determinant A? So, what is given? Eigenvalue of orthogonal matrix A are positive. Then we need to find out the value of the determinant A. For an previously we have seen one problem now. For determinant of an orthogonal matrix is nothing but plus or minus 1. The same thing. What is the determinant value for the orthogonal matrix is nothing but plus or minus 1. Here eigenvalues are given as positive. So, given as positive. Here it is given as positive. So, plus 1 comma minus 1. What is the positive value? Plus 1. So, determinant of A is equal to 1 plus 1. Okay. Then 79 question number. If A equal to A1 B1 something is an orthogonal matrix is then A inverse. So, as I told earlier, what is an orthogonal matrix? Actually A transpose equal to I, which is A transpose equal to A inverse. So, we need to find out A inverse. What is given? A is given. So, A is given as A1 A2 A3 B1 C1 B2 C2 B3 C3. So, what is A inverse actually? Just transpose. Transpose meant row and column has to be interchanged. So, here A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So, this is the matrix for the A inverse value for the orthogonal matrix. So, A1 B1 C1 A2 B2, this one option 2 is the right option. Then we will move on to this is the final problem in this type, which is question number 80. Find the eigenvalues of A. So, we need to find out the eigenvalues of A. Just look at the matrix. It is a triangular matrix, that is also lower triangular matrix. It has values below the remaining part of the above the values are 0. Okay, this is a lower triangular matrix. As I told earlier, what is the property of eigenvalue? For any triangular matrix, it may be upper or lower triangular matrix. What is the eigenvalues? Eigenvalues is nothing but the main leading diagonals. What is the diagonal values? 1, 8, 3. So, this is the eigenvalues of the matrix A. 1, 8, 3. So, we'll end this video up to this. Kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and then click on the bell icon also. Then only you will receive notification whenever we upload videos. In our next videos, we will see part 4. Okay. Thanks for watching.